Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, have you ever heard of American pickers picking the back roads of America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Yeah, he done changed, he got two, whatever. Have you ever heard Lonnie from Garage, Flip, Garage, whatever? Have you ever heard of the Cincinnati picker? Have you ever heard of the Commonwealth picker? Have you ever heard of my boy Dave from Kentucky, the Tesla picker? Yeah, well, this Kevin from St. Louis. Everybody out there picking? Yeah, but we picking the hood too. Yeah. Hey, yeah, this is kind of a what's sold video, but I'm gonna talk to you all about some stuff. Yeah, about some different stuff to watch out for. Yeah, I put on about a month ago, I put on a lot of 175 games, PS2 games, a PS2, a brand new anti-log, one of them shaking controllers to shake. Forgot the name of them. And all the cards and stuff to go to it. So I put it on there for $800, right? And, you know, I had made a video about it before. People was lowballing me and stuff. So I lowered the price to $700, which would be $4 a game. Right? That's pretty cheap, I think. Because some of them games was in between, the games was in between $5 and $10. I looked up all of them, in between $5 and $10. Plus the PS2 is worth a little bit. It's a great PS2. But anyway, so I had on there for $800. And I lowered the price the other day to $700. Somebody bought it. But I thought it was excuse me, because you know I test everything before I send it off. So I thought it was a gamer, not a gamer, but a reseller buying it to resell it. So I reached out to the guy, and he said he was buying it for his son. So I put some extra stuff in there. You know, I put some brand, because all those games was used. So I put some brand new games in there for his son. And for his son, and for him, I put a NFL coach game in there, brand new, Madden something, whatever they coaching. Anyway, I put it in there for him, and I mailed it. You know, I never do that again though, because it weighed like 58 pounds, and it cost like $60-something. But they pay for shipping, but I ain't worried about that. But anyway, I just never do that again. I sell it in little lots. You know what I'm saying? So I'm glad I sold that, but it still ain't put a dent in my games, y'all. Nothing. So that was 175 games. Whatever. I just wanted to tell y'all that. But anyway, today we're gonna make a video about things to look for, and I'm gonna give y'all some advice too. You know, I've been doing this since 2002, but I'm gonna tell y'all. Try to, as soon as you get your stuff from the thrift store, try to get it on eBay. I'm giving y'all some advice because I'm putting stuff on eBay now that I bought 2 months ago, and I should have been loaded the first day I got it. But I had so much stuff that I was putting my stuff on there first, and then still going to the thrift store buying stuff. But anyway, we're gonna go over some stuff, that unusual stuff that you guys probably not looking for out there. But I've been having this stuff for a while. And first of all, I want to let y'all know that, you know, I look for Tupperware, glassware, stuff like that, you know. So we're gonna go over some top things to look for, you know, when you out there thrifting. Okay, first thing, Corning cookware. Corning cookware. It's like a casserole right here. This is a casserole. Ain't nothing good about it. See right there where it say, I don't know if you can see it too good, but see right there where it say Corning. It's got the name on it. It's got the model number on there. This right here, you can pay anywhere between $2 and $3 for these at the thrift store. This right here sells for $39. Just this one, $39. If it had the top on there, it'll sell for more than that. This don't have the top. So I paid $2 for this. That was months ago though. And I got plenty more. I just haven't put it on eBay. So look for that coining. These small bowls with the top. See these casserole bowls? No, you can't see it. With the top, the small ones with the top. The black ones, to me, are worth more than the one with the flowers on them are worth more. These in between 20, see how small that is? In between 20 and 30, 20 and $29 a piece with the top. I got 2 of them. Let me see if I can pick it up without dropping it with the top so you can see it. See? I got 2 of these. In between 20 and 29. Little casserole. This right here is a pie pan. See this? It's just a pie pan. Ain't nothing special about it. $27. So when you look for them, you look on the back. Because people make knockoffs. Look on the back and look for it, say, commonwealth. And look it up before you walk out the store. Look it up, see if it's worth you buying it. But these are between $2 and $3. Like I said, some of them might be $4, but it's worth it if it's $27 and have them pay for shipping. Okay, now that's commonwealth. Okay, another item to look out for is a company called, what is it? Fire something. Hold on. Fire King. Fire King. So half their stuff don't sell. But if you get the big casseroles like this thing right here cost me $4. See this? It's huge. It costs $4. Same thing. It's got the model number right there, and it say Fire King on it. This big casserole right here. Let me take the top off. I want to drop it and break it. See what say Fire King at? And it's got the model number. This right here is a the model number is what the hell? 449. That's the model number for this. This right here by itself is selling between $20 and $35, depending on the day that you put it on there, I guess. $20 and $35. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put on there for about $30 to $32. Okay? I'm going cheaper than everybody else. Now that's Fire King. Now the #1 brand is Pyrex. Pyrex. That's what I buy. I buy a whole lot of Pyrex. And this bowl right here, just a mixing bowl. This bowl is $19. I paid $2 for this bowl. $19. They pay for shipping. This casserole, I got it turned inside out, y'all. This casserole right here, it's Pyrex. It's in between $29 and $39, depending on who gonna buy it. $29, $39. So y'all look out for that stuff. And the Pyrex easy to find. all y'all probably got Pyrex in your house. You see that? Pyrex is a name brand. Everybody probably got that Pyrex in their house. Look in your cabinets. But the big ones, the large ones sell for a whole lot. You got some small ones, casserole bowls, like the white milk color ones that's got the designs on them, like flowers and stuff like that on there. If you find the right ones, them things worth $10,000 if you find the right one. So the rare ones are worth $5,000, $10,000, $15,000. People paying that stuff out there. Do your research on eBay and see people paying for that stuff, because they're really hard to find. And all this stuff is vintage. It's old. Now, the #1 plastic that I look for, plastic stuff, and everybody know this or should know it, all the resellers should know it, is Tupperware. I left some of it at home. I'm gonna start loading this and put it on eBay. I've been having this stuff for a long time. But see these 4 plates right here? There's 4 of them, they blue. These things in between $28 and $59, depending on what color you got. All this is divided plates. I got some white ones. I got some clear ones. I got a couple of red ones. But if you get them rainbow color ones, they worth some money. $59. I'll put it on the screen. You don't believe me? You know. And these Tupperware containers like this. This one right here is $9, $12. Just this little one. It's little. Look at my hand on this. Look. Between $9 and $12. I paid $1 for this. But if you get the whole set, you're talking about $69. What the hell? But anyway, I ain't listened to none of this stuff, y'all. I've been having this stuff for months and months. But I'm getting ready to listen tonight. You know, I ain't listened to none of this stuff yet. But y'all look out for this stuff. You know, I really didn't want to tell y'all this because you might flood the market with stuff and the price go down. But, you know, I had to make a video. I'm trying to help a young lady out there sell her stuff and look for stuff in the thrift stores. And y'all go to her site. Her name is Regina. Y'all go to her site. I'll put her site in the bottom. I really don't remember her name of her Facebook page. I mean, not Facebook, YouTube page. But go check her out. And everybody try to help her out. She's trying to get, you know, find stuff in the thrift stores and stuff where she live. She live in Alabama somewhere. But anyway, y'all, I just want to make a quick video on some glassware, some plastic, stuff like that to sell. Yeah, you've been reselling for a long time. You know about the Tupperware. You got to. You've been out there retailing. You don't know about the Tupperware? Then whatever. But I used to sell a lot of it. Now I don't hardly see it that much no more. But some of that stuff is expensive. You can sell some of the Tupperware if you find it for big money. You know. But anyway, I just want to make a quick video about some stuff that to look out for when you're out there. You know, some of y'all need to expand and buy stuff that you don't usually buy. So anyway, I want to tell y'all that if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, no, I have to do that. But give me some advice on these videos and stuff, y'all. And be safe out there, wear your mask. And this Kevin from St. Louis. I've been thrifting and selling on eBay since 2002. I go to yard sales in the hood. Yard sales, estate sales, stuff like that in the hood, y'all. So y'all check out my videos and tell me what you think. And I just want to say that, you know, I'm Kevin from St. Louis and that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Peace. Peace on to you.